Come test drive this 2000 Pontiac Montana. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a rear window wiper, a tachometer, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Come down to our dealership. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence.